symbolism, or they'll reference
the Aloha
legends
Festival
to tell
here in
new
San
stories with their
Mateo.
songs.
Definitely got
Mele
here much later than we
interweaves
wanted.
the love triangle
But
of the
here we
goddess
are.
Pele,
We got
her
here,
sister
and so we're just gonna
Hi'iaka,
enjoy
and the chief
the
Lohiao
event.
to tell the.
We did decide to get food first and eat while we enjoy the show. Concerns coming in late into this event was that I thought we weren't going to catch a lot of the performances because the program that they had online was very limited, but we came around noon and it's around 2:30 now and we caught a lot of the performances. So that's great because that's really why I wanted to come to this event, and because I knew that we were going to sort of be stationary, I wanted to get a souvenir picnic blanket. It's not a souvenir blanket, I had to buy it. Pretty expensive, but I knew it's one of the things that I would have to buy. All right, so now we are just sort of going to go around and see the rest of the vendors here. We just left the festival, and I've been to an Aloha Festival before. I'm not sure if it's this particular organization or another Hawaiian festival. I mean, they have a couple throughout the year, but for this event, it was really nice. The weather was nice. It was hot, but there was wind, so you weren't sort of just baking in the sun. They had great performances throughout the day, and the venue's huge. The location is huge. Otherwise, this was a really good festival to attend. So now we are going to a new grocery store. It's a Korean grocery store. It's in San Jose, and this festival is in San Mateo. So now we're heading to San Jose to go check out T&T Market, which is supposed to be a really big Korean market that opened in San Jose about 3 months ago. I'm just really curious on how it looks like and what they're selling in there. All right, come with us to check it out. All right, so we just left T&T Supermarket. It is a Saturday at 3 o'clock, and parking was actually okay, and there was no line to get through the door, although it was wall-to-wall people in there. I mean, there were just carts everywhere. They do have groceries, food, makeup, skincare. They definitely, it's a one-stop shop. Skincare variety, great. Makeup, not so much. Big produce, big groceries, big food hall. Good thing there is a self-checkout, so we were able to buy snacks. I bought these mooncakes. I love mooncakes. I'm gonna have to check it out when it's not a weekend. I think a weekday would be better, but I couldn't think in there. There was just so many people.
Use the right two lanes to take exit 19.
T&T is an Asian Canadian brand from what I believe, and this location in San Jose is only their third in the United States, and it's supposed to be one of the biggest Asian stores. And yes, I would agree to that. There's another one in Daly City called Jigaochi. That one's pretty big, but then and it's really spacious as well, but there's not a lot of items in there. This one really was jam-packed with items, and of course people.